If I lost everything today, no money, no connections, no audience, and my goal was to make my first $100,000, I would not start a complicated startup or a revolutionary app. I would follow a simple strategy used by thousands of successful entrepreneurs. The biggest mistake people make: they start with ideas. They ask questions like, what business should I start? What product should I create? What startup will make me rich? The fastest way to make money is to solve expensive problems, not small problems, expensive problems. Because if you solve a $10 problem, you get paid $10. But if you solve a $10,000 problem, businesses will happily pay you thousands. The fastest way to $100,000. If I wanted to reach $100,000 quickly, I would start a service business. No big investment, no product manufacturing, no inventory. You just solve problems for people who already have money. This is exactly how many entrepreneurs started. Let's say you charge $2,000 per month for a service. If you get just 5 clients, that's $10,000 per month. In 10 months, you already made $100,000. Best services to start today. Here are 2 best service businesses: AI automation, customer support appointment, booking, lead generation. You can build simple automation systems using tools like ChatGPT and Zapier. Video editing. Short-form content is exploding. Every creator, coach, and business wants TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. But most people don't know how to edit engaging videos, so they hire editors. Some editors charge $1,000 to $5,000 per month per client. Naval Ravikant once said, "The internet allows anyone to build wealth." Making your first $100,000 needs 3 things. 1. A valuable skill. 2. Solving real problems. 3. Consistent action. But the people who keep improving their skills, keep contacting clients, keep learning, eventually break through. And once you make your first $100,000, everything changes.